Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. In this class, we will do exercise 3 first bit other than circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter sums. In part 10, we did circumcenter sums. In part 11, we did incenter and orthocenter. Now in part 12, we will do exercise 3 other than sums, circumcenter and incenter, orthocenter. So circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter కాకుండా remaining sums చేద్దాం. Now see first bit 7th question. Find the values of k, the angle between the straight lines kx plus y plus 9 equals 0 and 3x minus y plus 4 equals 0 is pi by 4. So here angle between two lines given. What is the angle? Pi by 4. Now take the first line as first equation. Take kx plus y plus 9 equals 0. Take it as first equation. And second equation 3x minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. Take it as second equation. Now what is given angle? Theta is equals to given pi by 4. Theta is equals to given pi by 4. Now take cos theta. Write the formula. Cos theta is equals to. So first write what is a1 value from first equation. A1 is equals to k. A1 is equals to k. A2 is equals to 3 from second equation. B1 is equals to y coefficient. B1 is equals to 1. B2 is equals to y coefficient minus 2. Minus 1. B2 is equals to minus 1. Now write the formula cos theta is equals to. What is the formula? Cos theta is equals to modulus A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square into A2 square plus B2 square. A2 square plus B2 square. Now substitute values A1 A2 B1 B2 theta value. So what is theta given? Pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is equals to cos pi by 4 is equals to A1 A2. A1 value k, A2 value 3. So k into 3. 3k into 3 plus B1 B2. B1 value 1, B2 value minus 1. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 by under root of A1 square k square plus B1 square 1 square into A2 square 3 square plus B2 square minus 1 square is equals to cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is equals to 3k modulus 3k plus into minus minus 1 3k minus 1 by k 1 square means 1 only under root of k square plus 1 k square plus 1 into under root of 3 square అంటే 9 1 square అంటే 1 9 plus 1 10 వస్తుంది root 10. సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ root 2 ఉంది రైట్ సైడ్ root 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలంటే స్క్వేరింగ్ చేయాలి. నౌ స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్ స్క్వేరింగ్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది 1 by root 2 whole square is equals to so 3k minus 1 square ఉంది కదా డైరెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ మోడలస్ మూవ్ చేస్తున్నా into k square plus 1 whole square into root 10 whole square. So ఇక్కడ square root cancel, square root here also cancel. So ఇక్కడ square root cancel. So 1 by 2 is equals to 3k minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 into 10. K square plus 1 into 10. So ఈ two terms left hand side into అవుతుంది. So right side is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. So k square plus 10 into k square plus 1 LHS by 2 is equals to it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. What is formula? A square, a means 3k whole square plus b square 1 square minus 2ab minus 2 into 3k into 1. So 2 ones are here, 2 5s are. So 5 into k square plus 1 is equals to 3k whole square into 9k square plus 1 square into 1 minus 2 3 6k 5 to multiply into 5 into k square 5k square plus 5 ones are 5 is equals to 9k square plus 1 minus 6k. ఈ టర్మ్స్ అన్ని రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి, సైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో 9k² మైనస్ 6k ప్లస్ 1, ఈ టర్మ్ రైట్ సైడ్ అయితే మైనస్ అవుతుంది, మైనస్ 5k² says minus 5 is equals to 0. So 9k² minus 5k², 4k² minus 6k, 1 minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 0. Now take out common. So what is common? 2 common. Take out 2 common. So what is remaining? 2k² minus 6 and 2 3s है so remaining 3k minus 4 అంటే 2 2s 2 కామన్ రాస్తే remaining 1 2 ఉంటుంది, 1 2 is equals to 0. So 2k² minus 3k minus 2 is equals to 0. Now factorization, 2 2s are 4. So what are the factors of 4? 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 1 3 వస్తుంది, right? So దీని ఎలా రాస్తుంది 3k అంటే minus 4k plus 1k రాస్తున్నా, minus 4k plus k minus 2 is equals to 0. Take out 2k from first two terms, 2k. So what is the remaining? K ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ, k. From second term 2, 2k and k common రాసాం already. 4 లో 2 we can write 4 as 2 into 2. So if I take 2 common, remaining there remains 2 only, plus take out 1 common, remaining k minus 2 equals 0. Again what is common? K minus 2 common, k minus 2 common, remaining 2k plus 1 equals to 0. So k minus 2 is equals 0. So or 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. 2k plus 1 is equals 0. 2 right side minus 2 send to minus 2 to the right side, minus 2 become plus 2. K is equals 2 or 2k is equals to minus 1. K is equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore we get 2 k values. K is equals 2 or minus 1 by 2. Now 8th question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and also through the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus y plus 5 equals 0 and x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. We have to find the equation which is passing through the point of intersection of this line and this line. Okay na? Take this line as L1, this line as L2. Let L1 is equals to, what is L1? 2x minus y plus y equals to 0. Take it as equation number 1. And L2 is equals to equivalent plus x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Take it as equation number 2. So we have to find the equation which is passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2. So take this as L1, this as L2, this as L2. ఈ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ నుండి ఇంకో లైన్ పాస్ అవుతుంది, ఓకేనా? దట్ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ వి హావ్ టు ఫైండ్. సో అదర్ దెన్ L1 and L2. So this line is a required line. This line is a required line and this line is passing through what? Passing through origin. Passing through origin means 0, 0. Passing through origin. So passing through 0, 0. So the equation of line which is passing through the equation of line passing through the point of intersection of L1 equals 0 and L2 equals 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equals 0. That is very very important formula. And ఈ పాయింట్ నుండి పాస్ అయ్యే లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటంటే L1 plus lambda L2 equals to 0. So required line is, what is given? Origin O of 0, 0. Required equation is L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. Now substitute L1 value. What is first equation? 2x minus y plus 5 plus lambda L2 value x plus y plus 1 is equals 0. Take it as equation number 3. So this is the required equation. అంటే ఈ లైన్ ఉంది కదా, సపోజ్ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ లైన్ L3. ఈ L3 ఈక్వేషన్ ఇది మనకి, ఓకేనా? దిస్ లైన్ ఇస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ వాట్ పాయింట్? ఆరిజిన్. సో ఈక్వేషన్ 3 పాసింగ్ త్రూ origin O of 0 comma 0 passing through origin 0 comma 0. Therefore, substitute x equals 0 and y equals 0 in equation 3. So 3 implies 2 into 0 minus 0 y plus 0 x plus 0 plus 5 plus lambda into x value 0 kada 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 0. So 2 into 0 0 0 minus 0 0 5 plus lambda into 0 plus 0 plus 1 1 into 1 equals 0. So lambda is equals to minus 5. Now substitute lambda equals to minus 5 value in equation 3. 3 implies so 2x minus y plus 5 plus what is lambda minus 5 into x plus y minus plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x minus y plus 5 multiply with minus 5x minus into plus minus 5 into y 5y minus into plus minus 5 ones are 5 equals 0. So 2x minus 5x minus 3x minus 5 minus 5y minus 6y 5 plus 5 cancel equals to 0. So what is common? Take out minus 3 common. Minus 3 common is remaining plus x ఉంటుంది plus 2 remaining 600 3 2s are kada. If I take 3 common remains 2 only. 2y equals 0. So x plus 2y is equals to 0. This is the required equation. Required equation is x plus 2y is equals to 0. This is very important formula. And the equation of line passing through point of intersection of L1 and L2 is L1 plus lambda L2 equals to 0. And the L1 L2 కాకుండా remaining వేరే equation లైన్ వస్తుంది కదా ఆ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటంటే L1 plus lambda L2 equals to 0. Now 9th question. Find the equation of the straight line parallel to the line 3x plus 4y is equals 7 and passing through the point of intersection of the lines x minus 2y minus 3 is equals 0 and x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So the required equation is passing through this line and this line. So we are take this as L1 and this as L2. Passing through whether passing through point of intersection of x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. We will take this as L1 and this as L2. And this required line is parallel to this line. 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. Now take this as L1 3x plus 4y is equals 7. Take it as equation number 1 and take this as L1. L1 is equals to x minus 2y minus 3 is equals 0 and L2 is equals to x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Take it as equation number 2 and equation number 3. So required line is passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2. So this is a diagram. This is L1 and this is L2. So let's find another line. So which is passing through this line, this point. Take that as L, a required line. Okay na? Now required equation is, what is the formula? Required equation is L1 plus lambda L2 is equals 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of line which is passing through point of intersection of L1 and L2. Now substitute values. L1 value x minus 2y minus 3, x minus 2y minus 3 plus lambda. L2 value x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So multiply with lambda. So x minus 2y minus 3 lambda into x lambda x plus 3 lambda y plus plus into minus minus 6 lambda equals to 0. Now take out x common. Here we have x common is remaining 1 ఉంటుంది. So 1 plus lambda kada common is x. Next take out y common here. So what is the remaining? If I take y common, minus 2 plus 3 lambda into y and minus 3 minus 6 lambda, minus 3 minus 6 lambda equals to 0. Take it as equation number 4. Equation number 4. This is the required equation. This required equation is parallel to this line 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. This line is parallel to the 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. Therefore, equation 4 is parallel to what is the equation? 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. We know already, if two lines are parallel, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. Therefore, what is A1 from fourth equation? From first equation, what is A1? A1 is equals to 3. A1 is equals to 3. B1 is equals to y coefficient 4. A1 is equals to 3. B1 equals 4. A2 is equals to from fourth equation. These two lines are parallel. A2 is equals to 1 plus lambda, and B2 is equals to minus 2 plus 3 lambda, minus 2 plus 3 lambda. We know these two lines are parallel. Therefore, write the condition A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. Now substitute values: A1 value, A2 value, B1 value, B2 value. What is A1? 3. So 3 by A2 value 1 plus lambda is equals to B1 value 4. B2 value minus 2 plus 3 lambda. Now do cross multiplication. This implies 3 into minus 2 plus 3 lambda is equals to 4 into 1 plus lambda. 4 into 1 plus lambda. So 3 plus into minus, 3 2s are minus 6, 3 3s are 9 plus 9 lambda is equals to 4 1s are 4 plus 4 into lambda, 4 lambda. Now send 4 lambda left side, minus 6 right side. So 9 lambda minus 4 lambda is equals to 4 plus 6. 9 lambda minus 4 lambda, 5 lambda. 5 lambda is equals to 10. So this implies lambda is equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, lambda is equals to 2. Now substitute lambda is equals to in equation 4. So from 4 implies substitute lambda is equals to 2 in equation 4. So the equation 4 implies 1 plus lambda value 2 bada, 1 plus 2 into x plus minus 2 plus 3 lambda, 3 into lambda value 2, 3 into 2 into y minus 3 minus 6 lambda, 6 into 2 is equals to 0. So 2 plus 1 3, 3x, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2 4 plus 4y. So minus 3 minus 12 equals 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 3 minus 12 minus 15 equals to 0. This is the required equation of a line which is passing through the point of intersection of these lines, this L1 and L2, and parallel to 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. Now 10th question. Find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y is equals to 0 and passing through the point of intersection of the lines x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. So solution. So required line is passing through the point of intersection of two lines. What are lines? This x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. Well, therefore we have take this as L1 and this as L2. Okay na? And this line required line is perpendicular to the 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. So take this as first equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. Take it as equation number 1. and take this as L1 and this as L2. So L1 is equals to x plus 3y minus 1 is equals 0, equation number 2, and L2 is equals to x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0, equation number 3. So required line is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. L1 equals 0, this is L2, this is L2 line. If passing through in point of intersection, this point pass avutundanta. So this is a required line, and this line is perpendicular to what is the line? 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. This line is perpendicular to 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. This line is perpendicular to 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. So what is the required equation? Required equation is L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0, because required equation is passing through point of intersection of L1 and L2. That is L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. This is a required equation. Now substitute what is L1? X plus 3y minus 1 equals 0. X plus 3y minus 1 plus lambda L2 value x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. Now substitute x plus 3y minus 1 plus lambda into x, lambda x plus into minus 2 lambda y plus 4 lambda equals to 0. Now take out x common. First write x terms together. X plus lambda x plus 3y minus 2 lambda y minus 1 plus 4 lambda equals to 0. Now take from first two terms x common, from middle two terms y common. So remaining, if I take x common, what is the remaining? 1 plus lambda into x. Next, so take y common, 3, remaining 3 minus 2 lambda into y plus minus 1 plus 4 lambda equals to 0. Take it as equation number 4. This is the required equation, and this equation and equation 1 are both are perpendicular. This equation is perpendicular to 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. Therefore, equation 1 and equation 4 are parallel. Equation 4 are perpendicular. Sorry, equation are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, we know the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. First write what is a1 from first equation. a1 is equals to b1 is equals to 3, a2 is equals to 1 plus lambda, a2 is equal to 1 plus lambda, and b2 is equals to 3 minus 2 lambda. Equation 1 and 4 are perpendicular. Therefore, what is the condition? Condition is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equals to 0. This is the condition. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. This is the perpendicular condition. So substitute values a1 2 into a2 value 1 plus lambda plus b1 value 3 to b2 value 3 minus 2 lambda equals to 0. So 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into lambda 2 lambda plus 3 3 is 9 plus into minus 3 2 is 6 lambda equals to 0. 2 lambda minus 6 lambda minus 4 lambda 2 plus 9 11 plus 11 is equals to 0. Now send 4 lambda right side, that becomes positive. 4 lambda is equals to 11. Lambda is equals to 11 by 4. Now substitute lambda equals 11 by 4 in equation 4. You can substitute h, or you can substitute here also. Okay now? Substitute lambda equals 11 by 4 in equation 4. Substitute lambda equals 11 by 4 in equation 4. Yes, you can substitute. 4 implies 1 plus lambda, 1 plus 11 by 4 into x plus 3 minus 2 lambda, 2 into 11 by 4 into y minus 1 plus 4 into 11 by 4 equals to 0. Now what is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. You can write 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 11, 4 plus 11 into x. Here 4 3s are 12 plus 12 minus 11 2s are 22, 22 into y. Here 4 into minus 4 plus 11 4s are 44 by 4 is equals to 0. So 4 plus 11 15x, 15x plus 12 minus 22 minus 10y, 44 minus 4 plus 40 is equals to 0. So can we take any common? Yes, we can take 5 common. So if I take 5 common, what is the remaining? 3x, 10 and 5 2s are kada, 2y, 40 kada. So 10 4s are 40. So 5 8s are 40 plus 8 equals to 0. So this is the required equation. 3x minus 2y plus 8 is equals to 0. Now 12th question. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 1 equals 0 to the straight line. 7x plus 24y minus 15 is equals to 0. So we have to find the point of intersection of these two lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 1 equals to 0, and from that point of contact we have to find the length of perpendicular. In two lines ki point of intersection find cheyali, ఆ point నుండి ఈ థర్డ్ లైన్ ఉంది కదా దాని length of perpendicular find చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? So solution, write the first one given equations 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0, 2x plus 5y minus 1 equals 0. Next last line 7x plus 24y minus 15 equals to 0. Take it as equation number 1. This is equation number 2, equation number 3. Now find the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, find the point of intersection from 1 and 2. So how can you find? By using get method, determine method, x, y, 1. From first equation, what is the y coefficient? 2. What is the constant? 4. What is x coefficient? 3. What is y coefficient? 2. From second equation, what is y coefficient? 5. What is constant? Minus 4. What is x coefficient? 2. What is constant? Y coefficient? 5. Now find x and y values. X by AD minus BC. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 4s are 20 is equals to y by multiply 4 and 2, 4 2s are 8 minus of minus 1 into 3 minus 3 is equals to 1 by 3 5s are 15 minus 2 2s are 4. So x by minus 2 minus 20 minus 22, x by minus 22 is equals to y by minus 20 minus plus 8 plus 3 is equals to 11, 11 is equals to 1 by 5, 15 minus 4, 11, 15 minus 4, 11. So take first and last. So this implies x is equals to minus 22 into 1 minus 22 by 11, comma y is equals to 11 into 1 11, 11 by 11, 11 by 11. So 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 ones are 11 ones are. So x is equals to minus 2, comma y is equals to 1. Now from this point we have to find the length of perpendicular to the line 7x plus 24y minus 15 is equals to 0. So what is the point? Take this as x1 y1. So x1 y1 is equals to minus 2 comma 1. So what is the line? 7x plus 24y minus 15 equals 0. 7x plus 24y minus 15 equals to 0. We have to find the length of perpendicular from this point to this line. Okay now? Now what is the length of perpendicular formula? Length of perpendicular is equals to modulus ax1 by ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Root over a square plus b square. Now substitute values in this line. Take x is equals to x1, y is equals to y1. So modulus 7x1 plus 24y1 minus 15 by what is a value? A is equals from here, a is equals 7, b is equals to 24. A is equals 7, ax, b is equals 24. Now substitute values under root of 7 square plus 24 square. Now substitute what is x1 value? Minus 2, y1 value 1. This is equals to modulus 7 into minus 2 plus 24 into 1 minus 15 by 7 square into 49 plus 576. 7 2s are 14. So minus 14 plus 24 1s are 24 minus 15 by root over 49 plus 576 root over 625. Root 625 is equals to 25. So we can write directly 25 or under root of 625 is this implies 24 minus 14 10 minus 15 minus 5. So modulus of minus 5 by root 625 is equals 25. So modulus of minus 5 is equals plus 5 only. You can write 5 by 25. So 5 ones are 5 5s are. So is equals to 1 by 5 units. This is length of perpendicular from this point to this line. What is the length of perpendicular? 1 by 5. Now 13th question. Find the value of A, the distances of the points 2, 3 and minus 4, A from the straight line 3x plus 4y minus 8 equals 0 are equal. And of 2 points nundi ee line ki distance ane equal. Okay na? So take this as line, given line. What is the line? 3x. Take this line as AB line, and what is the equation? 3x plus 4y minus 8 equals to 0. Take first point as P point, second point as Q point. So this is P point. What is P point? P of 2, 3 and Q point as minus 4, 8. Minus 4, 8. Distances from P point, PA. Distance from point to this line, given line. Okay na? And distance from Q to B, QB. Distance from P point to the given line is equals to distance from Q point to the given line. That is length of perpendicular. And a point nundi line ki length of perpendicular find cheyali. Here given 2 points kada. Ee line nundi length of perpendicular is equals to from Q point length of perpendicular. Both perpendicular lengths are equal. So equation, what is given equation? Equation is 3x plus 4y minus 8 is equals to 0. So what is given? The question given distances of the point 2, 3 and minus 4, equal or equal. Given distance from P to equation 2 is equals to distance from Q to equation 2, this line. Distance from Q to equation 2. Q to equation 2. So what is the distance from one point to one line? What is the line? So that is length of perpendicular. Distance is equals to length of perpendicular or distance, both are same. Modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Here from P point, what is the distance PA? So PA is equals to Here distance is QB. P is equals to QB. Here we have take the point first from P point as x1 y1. Here we have take Q point as x1 y1. So what is the equation? Modulus 3 x1 means P point. What is P point? 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. So P point is 2 comma 3 and the Q point is minus 4 comma a. P point is 2 comma 3. Q point is minus 4 comma a. Modulus 3x1. x1 means P point plus 4y. 4 into what is y? 3 minus 8 by root over a square plus b square. What is a value from equation? A is equals to 3, b is equals to 4. Root over 3 square plus 4 square is equals to RHS. AX1, 3x1. What is x1 point? Q point minus 4. 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4 plus 4y1. 4 into y1 value a. 4y1. y1 value a minus 8 by root over a square plus b square. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square. Here 3 to the 6. Denominator is the denominator. 3 square plus 4 square 16. So 9 plus 16 25. Here also we have same. So we can cancel both the denominators. So 3 to the 6. Modulus 6. 4 3 are 12. 12 minus 8 is equals to modulus minus into plus minus 3 4 the 12 minus 12 plus 4a minus 8. So 12 plus 6 18. 18 minus 8 10. Modulus 10 and only 10. Take only positive 10. 10 is equals to what is RHS? 4a minus 20. 4a minus 20. Modulus 4a minus 20. ఇక్కడ మనం modulus ఉంది కదా. So to remove the modulus we can do squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Or we can take like this. 4a minus 20 is equals to plus 10 or 4a minus 20 is equals to minus 10. 4a minus 20 is equals to plus 10 or 4a minus 20 is equals to minus 10. Modulus removal అంటే we have two methods ఉంటాయి. ఒక డైరెక్ట్ స్క్వేరింగ్ చేయొచ్చు. Modulus ఉంటే కూడా పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. Or we can remove the modulus by taking plus ones and minus ones. ఒకసారి ప్లస్ తీసుకొని ఒకసారి మైనస్ తీసుకొని modulus రిమూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే 4a minus 20 is equal to plus 10 or 4a minus 20 is equals to minus 10. So 20 is at right side. 4a is equals to 10 plus 20. 4a is equals to 10 plus 20 30. 4a is equals to 30. So a is equals to 30 by 4. A is equals to 30 by 4. So can you cancel? Yes. 2 2s are 2 15s are. A is equals to 15 by 2. A is equals to 15 by 2. Or here send 20 minus 20 right side, that becomes plus 20. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 10. So 4a is equals to 10. Or send 4 to the right side. A is equals to 10 by 4. Do cancellation. 2 2s are 2 5s are. Or a is equals to 5 by 2. Or a is equals to 5 by 2. So we are getting a value is 2. Therefore a is equals to 15 by 2. Or a is equals to 5 by 2. Now 15th question. If theta is the angle between the lines x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equals to 1, find the value of sin theta. So what is first equation given? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So we can write this as, what is the LCM? AB is the LCM. Multiply x into x with b and y with a. So it becomes bx plus ay by ab is equals to 1. So we can write this as bx plus ay by is equals to ab. Take it as equation number 1. Next, what is second equation given? X by b plus y by a is equals to 1. This implies, So do cross multiplication. A into S ax plus by by AB is equals to 1. AB is equals to 1. Send AB to the right side. So ax plus by is equals to AB. Take this as equation number 2. So from first equation, what is A1? A1 is equals to B. A1 is equals to B. And from B1 is equals to y coefficient A. And from second equation, A2 is equals to here A. B2 is equals to B. A2 is equals to A. B2 is equals to B. Theta is the angle between two lines. So theta is the angle between two lines. So what is cos theta formula? Cos theta is equals to modulus A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square into under root of A2 square plus B2 square. A2 square plus B2 square. So substitute all values. Cos theta is equals to A1 value B, A2 value A. So cos theta is equals to A1 value B, A2 value A plus B1 value A, B2 value B, A into B by under root of A1 square plus B1 square. What is A1? B. So B square plus B1 value A square into under root of A2 square, A square plus B2 square, B2 value B, A square plus B square. So we can write cos theta is equals to A into B, AB plus AB, 2AB. Total positive terms we can remove modulus. So cos theta is equals to modulus 2AB by root over A square plus B square, root over A square plus B square. And the whole square vastundi. A square plus B square whole square. A square plus B square whole square. So square root will get cancelled. Cos theta is equals to 2AB by A square plus B square. This is cos theta. Now we have to find the sin theta value. So it is modulus. So we can remove modulus because it is plus. And we know sin square theta. We know that identity. What is the identity? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So send cos to cos square to right side, that becomes minus. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now substitute cos theta value here. From equation, take this as equation number 3. Substitute cos theta value here. What is cos theta? 1 minus modulus 2AB by A square plus B square whole square. So 1 minus 2 square 4A square B square by denominator A square plus B square whole square. A square plus B square whole square. Now take the LCM. LCM of 1 and A square plus B square whole square is A square plus B square whole square only. So multiply with 1. A square plus B square whole square minus 4A square B square by A square plus B square whole square. A square plus B square whole square. Now it is in the form of A plus B whole square formula. So is equals to, we can simplify this, A square plus B square whole square. So A square whole square plus B square. So B square whole square plus 2AB. 2A square B square plus 2A square B square. Already minus unga manaki, minus 4A square B square minus 4A square B square. 4A square B square by A square plus B square whole square. A square plus B square whole square. So we can write this as A square whole square plus B square whole square 2A square B square minus 4A square B square. 2 minus 4 ante minus 2 vastundi. Ante minus 2A square B square by A square plus b square whole square. So it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square formula. What is a? A square. B square. So we can write this as a square minus b square whole square by a square plus b square whole square. What is this? Sin square theta. Sin square theta. Sin square theta is equals to, this is sin square theta. Sin square theta is equals to, so a square minus b square whole square by a square plus b square whole square. Suppose we need sin theta. We can write sin theta is equals to square right side send send square to the right side becomes square root of a square minus b square whole square by a square plus b square whole square. Here for this square and root cancel, for this square and root cancel. So what is the remaining? A square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is sin theta value. Sin theta is equals to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is sin theta value of sin theta.